Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off or hiding your inventory from other people on Roblox, on both desktop and mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on Roblox and logged in, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen, and then tap Settings. If you're on mobile, tap the three dots button at the bottom right and then select Settings. In Settings, click the Privacy tab. Now at the end of the Privacy settings, there is an option called Who Can See My Inventory. By default, this will be set to everyone. To change it, click it and then select No One to hide your inventory from everybody. Alternatively, you could also set it so only your friends can see it. You don't need to click Save or anything. As soon as you choose the new option, it will automatically save. Your Roblox inventory is now hidden from other people. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.